Welcome to Investus Capitals tutorial. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to deposit funds via Investus Wallet. So let's begin. Start by logging into your Investus Capitals account and accessing your homepage. On the homepage, locate the sidebar and find the deposit option. Click on it. You will be directed to the deposit page where you can fund your account. Enter the desired amount you wish to transfer. Next, select Investus Wallet as your payment mode. Within the Investus Wallet payment mode, you have the flexibility to choose your preferred cryptocurrency for the deposit, such as BTC/USD or other provided options. If you need to adjust your deposit amount, simply click on Modify Amount. Once you've confirmed the details, click on Get Wallet Address and proceed with the deposit. On this page, you'll have the choice to either scan the sheer code provided or copy the wallet address for future reference. If you ever need to change the deposited coin, there's an option to do so by clicking the Change Coin button. If you're satisfied with your choices, click on Amount Transferred to initiate the deposit. Congratulations! You have now successfully completed the transfer to your designated wallet address. To track your deposit's progress, you can click the Check Status button. Your deposit is now in process, and you'll soon have access to your funds for various investment opportunities on Investus Capitals. Check the status of your deposit in Transactions and then in Deposits. Congratulations! Your funds have been successfully deposited into your Investus Wallet. We commend you on taking this step toward your financial journey with Investus Capitals.